Every single year, we watch the exact same thing play out. The exact same circular phones, cameras that shift by a microscopic millimeter, slightly faster charging, and, boom, show's over. You're bored out of your mind, and honestly, so am I. The entire tech world is utterly exhausted by these boring, cookie-cutter launches. But today, the map of the tech universe is being completely rewritten. Sony just did something that not a single major brand had the guts to do. This isn't just another smartphone, it's a walking hurricane, a revolution ready to shake Apple and Samsung right out of their decades-old fortresses. The timeline of the tech world before this phone is entirely different, and the era after it will change everything. So, buckle up, steady your heartbeat, and grab a fresh cup of coffee, because today we are talking about an absolute beast, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark IX. Let's dive right in. Design and display. Right off the bat, the moment you pick this up, your brain is going to instantly ask, wait, am I holding a smartphone, or did I just grab the steering wheel of a high-end supercar? Sony has completely trashed the cheap plastic and fingerprint magnet glass drama this time around. On the back, you get a premium, scratch-resistant matte black finish that feels like pure silk in the hand. The edges are wrapped in an aerospace-grade aluminum body with finely textured lines. Translation: insane style combined with a grip so secure that dropping it is practically impossible. But the absolute showstopper is the camera module. Sony has permanently bid farewell to those boring, bulky vertical camera bumps. In its place sits a gorgeous champagne gold metallic camera bump that gleams against that matte black body like royal armor worn by a warrior. And yes, Sony kept the holy grail features that modern flagship phones have completely abandoned: a 3.5mm headphone jack and a Type-C port. Because Sony actually understands that true audiophiles still bleed for wired studio headphones. The second you turn on that screen, your jaw is going to hit the floor. Front and center is a stunning 6.65-inch 4K HDR OLED display rocking a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're binge-watching 4K Netflix masterpieces or dropping back-to-back headshots in BGMI, every single pixel is so razor-sharp and smooth that your heart will only say one thing: stop. I don't need anything else ever again. The colors match the legendary accuracy of Sony's high-end Bravia TVs, and the outdoor peak brightness cuts through direct sunlight like glass. Camera setup. Now let's talk about the ultimate weapon Sony poured its absolute soul into: the cameras. Emblazoned proudly on that champagne gold metallic bump is the Zeiss T coating, the exact same optics used in million-dollar Hollywood cinema cameras. And the sensor size alone is going to drop your jaw: a massive 300-megapixel main camera. This sensor is so insanely powerful that you can snap a photo of someone standing a block away, zoom in, and literally read the individual threads on their jacket. Snap a night shot, and it looks like high noon with zero digital noise in sight. To back up this monster setup, you get a 48-megapixel ultra-wide sensor that captures entire mountain ranges or coastlines in a single frame without a shred of edge distortion, alongside an advanced periscope telephoto lens that keeps every single pixel intact even at 20x zoom. It also features a built-in 3D time-of-flight sensor that creates natural, buttery background blur for portraits that completely put expensive DSLRs to shame. Video recording. Forget about old-school 4K 60 FPS. This monster shoots native 4K 120 FPS HDR video, making falling raindrops look like they're frozen midair in slow motion. Up front, you get a stellar 50-megapixel selfie camera that will have your Instagram followers constantly spamming you with, "Bro, what DSLR are you shooting with these days?" Performance. Beating right beneath this gorgeous chassis is the most dangerous processor on Earth, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. Qualcomm's latest chipset is so ridiculously fast that lagging or freezing isn't even in this phone's vocabulary. Backing it up is 12GB, 16GB of lightning-fast LPDDR6 RAM and up to 512GB of blazing-fast storage. You can run 20 heavy-duty apps simultaneously while rendering 4K video in the background, and this phone won't even break a sweat. For hardcore mobile gamers, Sony packed in an advanced vapor chamber cooling system that keeps the device ice-cold even during hours of non-stop gaming. Battery life. When it comes to battery, you get a massive 6000 mAh power cell that will easily survive heavy usage all the way past midnight. Paired with hyper-fast wired charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging, if your friend's phone dies, you can literally just touch their phone to yours and juice them right back up. Price and verdict. Now let's talk about the only part that might cause a tiny shockwave in your wallet, the price. Let's be real, a god-level beast like this was never going to be cheap. Globally, it's slated to sit around the $1,400 to $1,500 mark. Sure, it commands a premium price tag, but given the absolute masterclass of specifications and build quality it brings to the table, it is an incredible investment. Pick this up once, and you won't even need to glance at another smartphone for the next 4 to 5 years. Now the choice is entirely yours, guys. Do you want to keep following the blind herd, buying the exact same cookie-cutter designs from Apple and Samsung? Or are you ready to choose something truly authentic, creative, and completely standing out from the crowd? Drop a comment down below and let me know, can the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 9 wipe out the competition this year, or what?